Hello, welcome to Prismatis online class. In this class, we are asked to factorize the following. Okay, in this case, we are going to look at case 2. In our previous lesson, we solved case 1, where a is what equal to 1. But in this video now, in this class, we are going to solve case 2 where a is greater than 1. A is greater than 1. In other words, a will start from 1, or will start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know that quadratic equation is equation of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this case, a will be greater than 1. A may be 2, 3, 4, 5. It depends. So that is it. So we are going to solve. The question here says factorize 3t squared. Look at this. The coefficient of t squared now is 3. 3 is greater than 1. 3t squared minus 13t minus 10 equal to 0. Second equation is 2x squared minus 21x plus 45 equal to 0. So we are going to solve this. I'll solve one and you will try the second one. Thank you. Okay, solution. Solution A. That says 3t squared minus 13t plus minus 10 equal to 0. How do we solve this kind of equation? What we are going to do is that we are going to multiply the coefficient by the constant. So you draw something like a line like this. And we have it 3 times 10. 3t squared times 10 will give us what? Minus 30t squared. Now you ask yourself, what are the two numbers that when you multiply them together, two factors of 30. 2 factors of 30 that when you multiply them, you get minus 30t squared. Then when you add them together, you get minus what? 13. And what are the factors? Let's look at 2 times minus 15 will give us minus 30. 2 plus minus 15 will give us minus 13. You have 2 naira and you owe somebody 15 naira. When you pay that person, you still owe the same person 13 naira. So these two and minus 15 are the factors of what? 30. So they are the factors of what? 30. So now what do? We are going to substitute this into this. We are going to have 3t squared plus 2t minus 15t minus 10 all equal to 0. We'll partition them into 2. 3t squared plus 2t into a bracket into minus 15t minus 10 all equal to 0. Okay, equal to. What do? Here t, there's 1t here and there's 2t here. So pick 1t out. Pick what? 1t out. And what do? We have t into 3t plus 2 or into. So pick t out, which is you factor t out. We have t into what? 3t plus or 2. Now there's something they have in common here. Minus. There's 5 inside 10. There's another 5 inside 10. So we pick 5 out here. Remember 2. Pick 5 here out to here. So what do we have? Minus 5 into what do we have here? So that when you multiply, you get this here. We have what? 3t plus what do we have here? So that you multiply minus to minus something, it will give us 10, which is what? 2. So now there is 5 inside here. That is 10. And there's 5 is also inside there. You factor it out. The remainder will be what? 3t plus what? 2. All equal to 0. So now the rules and regulations, see, pick one outside the bracket and pick one inside the bracket, because the bracket inside bracket must be the same. You pick one. Thank you. T minus 5 into what? 3t plus 2, all equal to 0. T minus 5 is equal to 0, or 3t plus 2 equal to 0. Make t the subject of the formula. T is equal to what? This, when negative sign is crossing the sign of equality, return to plus. So we have now this minus 5 is crossing the sign of equality. We have it as what? 5. Or we have this, when a positive number is crossing the sign of equality, to turn to minus. So we have that 3t equal to 2, crossing the sign of equality, equal to minus 2. Make t the subject of the formula. Divide both sides by the coefficient of t. So we are going to divide through both sides of the equation by the coefficient of t, which is what? 3. That is 3. This will cancel. Hence t equals to 5 and t equals to minus 2 over 3. So that is our answer. So finally we have that t equals to 5 and t equals to minus 2 over 5. That is the solution to this quadratic equation. Remember that when you come to this place, when you partition them into two equivalent disjoint classes, you factor t out, and we are left with what? 3t plus 2. Coming to this place, there is 5 inside here, factor it out. There is also 5 inside here, minus, factor it. That is the reason why we have minus 5 into what do we multiply to this that will give us this, which is what? 3t plus what? 2. That is the reason why we get this. When we factor them, finally we are going to have that t equal to 5 and t equals to minus 2 over 3. Yes, so you can try this one. So this is another question. Please, you guys to try it and provide the solution to the given equation. They are the same thing. Use the same method, solve, and you are going to get the same answer. Thank you as you listen to my class. God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatis Online Class. God bless you. Bye-bye.